Hello and welcome back. So in this video we are going to take a look at another way of growing your list, which in essence means changing your list. Okay, so in the previous video we learned how to target individual list items and change them, and we also learned about how to insert an item in a particular location inside your list. And this time around we are going to learn about another inbuilt function called append, which is going to help us to grow the list by adding newer things to the end of the list. Okay, so we are going to still work in the list mutations.py file because that is all we are doing. We are mutating the list. And so I'm going to comment out this guy, and then we will try to achieve the same thing with the append method. Okay, so the list has a method called append, which unlike insert always ensures that the new item you are adding to the list is added at the end. Remember that with insertion you are able to, so if these are the slots in your list, with insertion you are able to specify a particular index where you want the insertion to happen. Okay, but for appending it is always going to ensure that the item that you want to add is added at the end of your list. Okay, so to do that you simply call the append method and then you toss in your value into it. Okay, so I can add two more foods. I will call menu.append, and then I'm going to add fried rice to it, and then I will also do menu.append and I will add wache to it. So when we print this list again, you should expect to see fried rice and wache at the end. Okay, so I'll print menu here, and I'm going to run this program for us to see the output. So if I do this, this is the latest menu that we have, and this is where we started from. So you can see that I appended fried rice here, and so fried rice comes right after banku, and then I appended wache, which comes right after fried rice. So the difference between the insertion and the append method is that with append the new item is always going to be at the end, and with insertion you choose the index where you want to insert that particular item. And remember that all the items in a list are ordered, like they have definite positions in the ordering of things, and so it makes it important that you should be able to insert things where you want, and you should also be able to insert things at the end with the append method. So thank you very much for watching this. Let's take a quick break, and I will see you in the next video where we do a little exercise with what we've learned about the append method. So I'll see you soon.